Hello YouTube, this is thetechvoid.com here, and we got a review of the mobile Bluetooth keyboard for the new iPad and the iPad 2. This is from Snugg.com. Now, I'll just take it out of the box. That's the iPad. What you get with it, just get some instructions. You also get charging cable. That's the cable to charge it with. Alright, so this is the keyboard. As you can see, it's got a nice aluminium finish. It says the Snug there. Now it looks exactly, well, not exactly like a Apple keyboard, but very close to an Apple keyboard. It's got all the home button, the search button, got brightness. You've got a button to bring your pictures up in a photo viewer. You got F5, which is the keyboard, so if you're typing on here and you want to bring the keyboard up on the iPad, you just press that and the keyboard pops up. You've also got your music buttons and the sound. You've got this to put the iPad screen on and off. Alright, this is few points I've got about this really. I've been using it for a few days now. The quality is good, but it doesn't feel that solid. It feels a bit like not all there, but it is very good keyboard nevertheless. It is nice and it fits well with the iPad, it just doesn't feel very solid. My other point is that when using it on a web page or anything, if you're sat like that, you have to use your finger to scroll down the web page. It'd be nice if there was like a button or something where you could just, scroll down the web page from there. If you're on the home screen, you don't have to actually use your finger to go across, you could just use a button. Right, now I'm going to get to the iPads. I'll just put this in here. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you a bit how it works. So obviously it's a Bluetooth keyboard. First of all, I'm just going to alright, type my password in. There you go. And right, the keyboard's off at the moment. Now, it's very easy to set up, so just go to settings, Bluetooth. What I'll do is I'll turn the iPad Bluetooth keyboard on. Basically, when you first do it, you'll just go into this right, and you'll click it, and it'll give you a 4-digit passcode, and then you'll just enter this passcode, and it will be paired with the keyboard. So every time you just turn the keyboard on and you got your Bluetooth on, it will automatically connect. Okay, so I'll press the home button. I've gone home now. Now, it's very nice. It fits well with the white iPads and fit really well with the black iPad as well. So they've done a really nice job on this. As I said before, it's got the aluminium look, which goes really well with the back of the iPad. What also this Bluetooth keyboard does is it's got notches here and on the back, so you can actually click your iPad into it when you're not using it, and it looks very smart. So I'll do that in a sec for you. Alright, now when I'm on a web page, or first of all I'll just go into WordPress. Alright, we'll go into there and I'll show you a bit of the typing. So you go down a bit. I'll just do Bluetooth keyboard. There we go. Oh, that's my spelling mistake. There we go. Right, this is a Snug This is a test for the Snugg Bluetooth keyboard. As you can see, typing is quite effective. Just got your backspace here. So it's very nice when I'm writing posts, which is good, because I can, easily see what I'm writing. Whereas if I had the keyboard up, I had to keep scrolling up and down to have a look what I last put. But it's nice to have a full screen of what I'm actually typing. Now, next is, to be honest, it looks really nice and sleek. It fits well with the iPad. Now, it doesn't clip in when you got the iPad in the actual dock, but it does. It just got two bits coming off here, like notches, and you simply just put it in there and let it rest. Now you can use this keyboard up to 10 meters away, so you could have it in another case, or use it with the TV, with the Apple TV, and you can have this, over somewhere else, and you'll still be able to use the keyboard. Now, where the iPad's sitting now, it sits at a very nice angle, so you can actually see the screen. So when you sat normally, you can see right on the screen, and you don't have to move it at all or anything, which is really nice. Right, so with the keys, you've got obviously your home button, your search, so you can search. You've got screen brightness, you've got photos, and then you've got your media keys. That's when you got music on, of course. There you go. That's when I turn it up. You got your media keys, and you got the screen on and off, on wake basically. What I'll show you now is I'll clip the iPad into the actual case. So it's got rubber parts here, so you don't actually touch the screen against the aluminium casing, because you don't want to cause scratches or anything. There you go. It just fits nicely and snug into the case. And it also has a wake up effect, so if I take it out again, it will wake up when I take it out. I'll just do that now. There you go. Wakes up when I take it out. So, all in all, it's a really nice Bluetooth keyboard. I recommend it if you want to, write up a lot of documents or posts, or you do, a lot of using the internet and browsing with it. It's also great to take on like aeroplanes and everything. You don't have to sit holding the iPad, which is nice. Because when you're holding the iPad, your hands can become very tired after quite a while. So that's about it, really. The price, it actually retails at £39.99, which is very good at considering other Bluetooth keyboards you can get quite a bit more expensive. This is the Snugg Bluetooth iPad keyboard. Thanks for watching.